Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants, talking about the Norwood Hamilton scale and particularly Norwood 3. So what is Norwood 3? So Norwood 3 is an early stage of male pattern baldness. We see a lot of people at Norwood 3 here in the clinic. So basically you're going to have a recession and recession of the hairline, and normally this section in the middle, it varies, but normally this kind of stays a little bit and these kind of recede a little bit more. People refer to this as a widow's peak or a widow's curve, and it can be various amounts based on their genetic pattern. At this point, people are considered to be a hair transplant candidate. And normally they will consider these options in addition to preventative treatments. So preventative treatments to prevent this from going back any further, things like finasteride, minoxidil, laser helmets, PRP, those are things that are very, very important at this stage as well. Of course, it's a personal decision, but a hair transplant is going to be a permanent fix for these areas. If you have any questions about this, please take a look at our website, naturaltransplants.com, or call us here, 844-327-4247, Norwood 3.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.